Alrighty. Gigi got to the store last night. When she got back in the car, it didn't do nothing but click. And it was because this terminal here wasn't making good contact. And just wanted to show you. This is a negative terminal. I just tightened it up, and it's actually just about worn to the point to where it's going to have to be replaced because it's because there's no more adjustment on it. So let's see if we can't fix that a little bit and make sure that it's good and clean and tight. So see if we can do something like that. What we may do, first you want to get it off there. Yeah, you can loosen it up and then take it off. I always take the negative off first. And what it is, it looks pretty good, fairly clean. But like I say, this is that needs some attention. I need to. All right, doesn't look bad, but here's a little deal. You see it? That is well worth the money. It's you can get it at any auto parts store, or Walmart probably has it, but you can open it up and it's got a brush on the inside for the inside of this, and that just cleans the inside of the terminal. Where it makes good contact. And then this part is for the outside. Just stick it on there and twist it on the terminal, and it gets good and shiny. And one thing, and I'm going to do this because I'm not either. You can flip if you don't want to, if you can't replace it at the moment, and I can't because I don't have one, so I'm just going to put it on upside down, and you get a little more contact on the bottom part where the terminal is not worn and where the end is not worn. You just drop it back down on there. Doesn't look pretty, but it is. It's in there good anyway. Now just tighten up your battery terminal again. These things bend so easy because they're made out of lead. But make sure it's good and tight. That one's good and tight. I don't think we really have to worry about it, but halfway repair that for the moment. Just flip it upside down, clean it, put it back on. Keep them from corroding. Put a little spray lube on it, on the terminal, and the wire behind the terminal. There we go. And that's a half a repair. I do need to replace that, so I'll get a new one and replace it. And I guess that's it for now.